Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain how to fix a Shopify high-risk store warning. And yeah, seeing this warning can be scary, but it's often solvable in 2026. A high-risk store warning usually means Shopify has detected unusual activity, policy concerns, or payment-related risks. This doesn't always mean your store is about to be shut down, so first thing, don't panic. Start by logging into your Shopify admin and checking for alerts or banners related to the high-risk warning. Shopify usually explains what triggered the alert or what needs attention. This message is extremely important, so read it carefully. Next, review your products and store content honestly. Remove anything that could be considered restricted, misleading, or risky. Unclear claims, unrealistic promises, or policy-restricted items are common reasons stores get flagged. Now check your business and payment information. Make sure your legal name, address, bank details, and tax information match official records exactly. Even small mismatches can increase your risk score. You should also review your order activity. High chargebacks, refunds, or disputes can quickly label a store as high risk. Improve customer communication, shipping transparency, and refund handling to reduce complaints. Another important step is checking third-party apps and integrations. Remove unused or suspicious apps, especially ones that affect payments or customer data. Keeping only trusted apps helps lower risk. If Shopify requests documents or verification, upload everything as soon as possible. This might include ID verification, business documents, or proof of inventory. Make sure files are clear and up to date. During this period, avoid major changes to your store. Don't switch products suddenly or run aggressive ads. A stable store looks safer during review. If the warning doesn't clear or you believe it's a mistake, contact Shopify support politely and professionally. Explain what you've already fixed and ask for guidance. Yeah, clear communication can really help resolve this faster. Once Shopify reviews and approves your store, the high-risk warning is usually removed. After that, follow Shopify policies closely to avoid future issues. So that's how to fix a Shopify high-risk store warning in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify fixes and growth tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.